All right, guys, so we're back out here with the mower. After it didn't want to start, I decided, oh, let's dig it a little deeper, see what's going on. So the gasket right here between the carburetor and the filter base right there, apparently that's very critical. I didn't have a good seal on that, and it wasn't priming. I fixed that, started priming, still wouldn't start. So I decided to dig a little deeper. This is as far as we got last time, I think. So I took these 3 bolts out right here. 1, 2, and 3 right here. And the fuel tank just kind of comes up over here. I didn't empty it or anything. I kept it hooked up, just kind of laying right there. Now we got to take the shroud off. So that's just a few more bolts. 2 up front, 1 on top here that the oil dipstick goes into. I just rotated it out of the way so no trash gets in the oil. And then 2 more down here. And this pops off just like this. Then, and I already took it off. On top sits this right here. That's where your starter grabs onto. I just took an impact and got the nut off top here. This just pulls off. Now, this is where our problem is. So I believe, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like our keyway is shifted just a little bit. That means somebody hit something or something like that. And so that's going to take it out of time just a little bit. What I'm going to do is try to pull this flywheel off. I got a puller, and we're going to see if putting a new key in there will work and get this thing back on time, and hopefully starting like it should. All right, so I got my puller on here, and we're going to tighten it up to where it's ready to go on the flywheel. We're going to start cranking on it. And you'll need your screwdriver to hold the flywheel. There we go. And here's the key. I don't know if you can see that, but it does look like it's chipped away just a little bit. And it didn't look like it was seating right. So we're gonna try a new one and see what happens. All right, so I think somebody had this installed wrong. So we're gonna try it again and see what happens.